Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. As you all know, today there was the Supreme Court hearing regarding the postponement of NEET and JEE Mains 2020. So the results are out. So let's see what was the conclusion, what were the results of the Supreme Court hearing. So the Supreme Court has dismissed all the pleas which are seeking postponement of the exams. So this might be a good news for a few of you. A few of you I know might be frustrated after this news, but this is the decision of the Supreme Court. And let's see what are the main points given by the Supreme Court regarding this decision. So the key points from the hearing, there were two petitions filed. One was seeking the postponement and one was seeking not the postponement of these exams. So Justice Arun Mishra said that life should move on even in COVID-19 times. Can we just stop the exams? No, we should move on. These were the lines by Justice Arun Mishra. Let's see what else was said during. Justice Arun Mishra also said that if exams are not held, then it would be a loss to the country and students will lose an academic year, and which cannot be the case here. Okay, and the Solicitor General Tushar Mishra, who is appearing for NTA, also said that exams should be conducted and adequate precautions will be taken for the safety of all the students. Advocate Alak also said that there is a chance of the vaccine coming soon. This was even said by the Prime Minister, that is Narendra Modi ji, in his 15th August speech. So we are not sure when the vaccine will come, but there are chances that it might come, very soon. So considering these reasons, SC dismissed the petition which were for postponement of NEET and JEE. And they said that this will put the career of students in peril, which is the case, because if you lose a full year, that is a loss for all of you. But still, I guess some of you won't be happy with this decision, but yes, this is the decision of the Supreme Court and we have to follow this, guys. So guys, these were the results from the Supreme Court, the latest updates and the key points. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. I'll be updating you with the latest news. You can see this news has come out just at 12:15. So guys, please subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. This is the result of the Supreme Court. Okay, so please like it and share it with your friends. You can also check out other videos which are for NEET preparation and also for preparation for AFMC interviews and the test in AFMC. So you can also watch those videos in the playlist. So all the best, guys. These are the results and thank you so much.